I am Baram Khan. I am working as an early stage researcher under the team of 5G. Team of 5G is funded by Marie Curie, MSCA. And in today's project, we are talking about network slicing and its standardization. Um, Network slicing is the deployment of fifth generation wireless communication network brought a significant difference in the data rate and throughput to the wireless system. As we know that it's required ultra low latency and high reliability. To fulfill these requirements, network slicing is one of the enabler for the 5G and beyond network. It has opened several opportunities for the communication service providers. Network slicing allow communication service providers to create independent virtual network in the same physical network to guarantee high services levels. In this presentation, we are explaining network slicing advancement concerning the business opportunity and associated standardization activities. What is network slicing? In short term, 5G network slicing is the use of network virtualization to divide single network connections into multiple different virtual connections that provide different amount of resources to different type of traffic. As 5G will serve in different application, for example, autonomous cars, virtual reality, are tons of simple IoT devices, and each case have different needs and purposes. The goal are not the same for each. Therefore, different network slices will be used for appropriate cases. As we can see in the diagram, like for enhanced mobile broadband, it will be a separate slice according to its requirement. And also in comparison, like reliability, reliable low latency have different desires. So according to their desires, a separate slice will be designed and it will be using as a separate slice, and there will be a separate slice will be allocated to them. This is the group's different standardization organization which is working on network slicing standardizations. The most important in the bigger one is 3GPP, and the second one is ETSI, and BFF is also working in different things, but there in this diagram we have shown then according to their defining words, like different is, some of them is working on slicing security, some of them is working slice management and slicing subnet. So to explain this in detail in the other slices will be better. Various technologies and innovation from different technical domains have substantially contributed to the network slicing progress in different standardization development organizations. Currently, technical specification of those domains are defined in corresponding SDO, namely radio access network, core network are defined by 3GPP. Transport network are currently concerning with the concern of the broadband forum and IETF. ITUT and the other SDOs are working on this topic as well. The major SDO will introduce in the other slide, which is 3GPP. As we know that 3GPP is the forefront ambassador of the network slicing, and is different groups are working on different standardization activities of the network slicing. So the group 3GPP SA5 working group are responsible for network slicing related use cases and defining its requirement. The another group is SA2 group. The SA2 group is responsible for the creation and management of the slicing in the 3GPP realm and deriving the coordinating with the other relevant SDO to generate complete end-to-end network slices. The SA3 group is responsible for the security capabilities. And completely the 3GPP is working on different part of the specification, and its work is under progress for the network slicing end-to-end network capabilities. BFF main scope in network slicing is to clarify the requirements for 5G barrier networks and define the related transport network slicing management architecture. The BFF should establish formal cooperation with 3GPP to facilitate the transmission requirement from 3GPP and coordinate the interface requirements between the 3GPP slicing management system and the barrier slicing management system, including corresponding slicing creations and management processes. The technical definition for specific interface is not within the scope of broadband forum standardization, but they can recommend the potential options. The ETSI NFV ISG, the network functional virtualization, is responsible for providing technical solution for the resources such as computing and storage for the network slicing. They consider network functional virtualization as a key enabler for 5G infrastructures. However, the further work is still required to understand how NFV network functional virtualization technology support network slicing and how it's analyzing its impact to the current NFV architecture and standards and different resource layers. The ETSI Zero Touch Network and Slicing Management Industry Specification Group is also working on network slicing, and the initiative aim is to resolve the 5G end-to-end network slicing management issue. Their vision is to enable fully automation in terms of delivery, deployment, configuration, insurance, and optimization of network services. Some of the prominent industries that can be benefited from the 5G slicing are logistic, media and entertainment, automotive, industry internet, financial sectors, health and wellness, and smart cities. Network slicing is integral to unlock the enterprise opportunity for the 5G era. Already the industry expects that the enterprise segment to be the most important source of incremental revenue opportunity in the 5G. Different industry verticals are seeking to boost their productivity. Network slicing builds on this expectation, and together with the promises of massive IoTs and reliable low latency communication services, it will support the transformation of vertical industry. To unlock this opportunity, network slicing will enable operators to create predefined different level of services to different enterprises verticals, enabling them to the customer their own operations. In conclusion, we conclude that 5G for 5G and beyond network slicing will be one of the most influential technology for its evolution and will shape the telecommunication industry to the next level. Also, it's need the enhancement in virtualization, softwareization, and network infrastructures. And network slicing will enhance the business opportunity in many sectors, which will gain attraction by gaining the revenues. Thank you for watching the presentation. If you have any question, I have given my email in the beginning of the presentation, you can ask by email. Thank you.